If I had to start my online business all over again, there are three things that I would do completely differently. Why? Because I made mistakes, big ones, that cost me time, money, and a lot of sanity. But those same lessons are the same ones that helped me to turn everything around. And now I've been able to build an online income that has brought me in well over $600,000 and averages me $900 a day. So if you want to know how to make an income like that, first, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I teach you all of the things here. Now, what everyone says to do online isn't always what actually works, especially if you are a stay-at-home mom of three, an army wife, and a burnt-out ex-MLMer like I was. So in this video, I'm breaking down the three changes that I would have made right away if I was starting from scratch all over again. And I'm going to tell you exactly how those things can save you years of frustration. But first, if you're new here, my name is Victoria. I'm a boy mom to three wild, amazing little boys. Two have special needs. I'm in my late 30s, and I'm a proud army wife who was just always looking for the best way to make money from home because we were moving every 2 to 3 years, and I wanted to be that present mom with my kids. And I want you to learn from me because I wasted so much money on so many other things, and I wasted so much time trying all of these other things. And I almost quit trying more than once, thinking that maybe this whole work from home thing isn't cut out for me. But sticking to the search helped me to build a flexible digital income that I can run from my phone around nap times, around chauffeuring the kids to soccer, and around cooking dinner. So before we dive in, make sure you grab the link in my description because that's going to send you an email with all of the info on how you can do this too. It's the exact roadmap that I use to build simple, scalable income streams all from my phone. So lesson number one that I discovered when I started trying all of these work from home jobs: don't confuse expensive with effective. When I first started my search, I thought spend more equals earn more. So I paid for these shiny, pricey programs because that's what all the highlight reels said. It said that if you were serious about making real money, that you would need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on these programs. Now, the business model worked for some, but it didn't work for my life. The costs started piling up. I had to pay for ads and renewals. And so the more misaligned I felt, the less I started showing up. So what I know now, a model can look great on paper and still not be in line with who you are in your season of life. I'm a mom first, an army wife always, and I needed a business that didn't require recruiting anybody or spending hours on sales calls. So if it doesn't match your lifestyle, you won't sustain it. So before buying anything, make sure you ask yourself these three questions. Number one, does this align with how I want to spend my days? Number two, can this be done in a focused 1 to 3 hours a day? And number three, does this depend on me being online 24/7? And remember, past fails are not wasted. They actually sharpen your filter so that you can recognize the right fit fast. So lesson number two that I learned: you don't need a fortune to start. You need to start lean and stack your wins. But I will say you absolutely do need to invest in education somewhere along the way. If you look at the world, most people that are averaging 6 or 7 figures, they had to invest in education somewhere along the way to learn some skill. So yes, invest in yourself, education, tools, mentorship, coaching, but never at the cost of your peace. I started getting traction when I chose lean entry points that I could implement immediately. So how I'd start today? Begin with a done-for-you digital offer or a product that you genuinely love as an affiliate so that you can learn marketing before building from scratch. Use simple tools only, like a landing page and an email service. And make sure that whatever you do here, you find something that is going to make you 100% profit. Now, just a side note, this is very different than affiliate marketing because with affiliate marketing, you're only making between 5 to 50% profit off of whatever you're selling. But if you get a high income product where you can make 100% profit, that's where you're going to start making bank. Lesson 3, build with automation from day one. My early growth came from short form platforms, and I was burnt out fast replying to people. And that is not the way that I would do this if I started over. What works now is publishing evergreen content that viewers can find months later, but also sending your viewers into a simple funnel that is going to do all of the follow-up work for you. And that's when you start to let the automation do the work for you so that you can have your time back with your kids or traveling or whatever you want to do. So while you create videos that educate, your emails are going to build trust and make you sales in the background. That is exactly how I average $900 a day without living in my DMs. So step by step, this is exactly how I would restart today. Number 1, pick a lane like a done-for-you digital product. That's what I did. Number 2, have a page set up and done created for you where it can collect emails and collect prospects for you. Number 3, publish content 3 to 5 times a week. Number 4, analyze your metrics like email signups and look at how you can improve content that you're creating. And number 5, productize what works. You can literally turn your best tip into a $9 to $27 digital product, and then you can ladder up. So just to recap, this is exactly what I would do differently. Number 1, don't mistake expensive for effective. Choose something that you align with. Number 2, start lean, stack wins, and then scale. And number 3, build automation from day one so that life always comes first. Learn from my mistakes and skip all the guesswork. And if you want the exact strategy that I follow to average $900 a day, check out the link in my description and that's gonna email it over to you. If a late 30s army wife, boy mom to 3, ex-MLMer who used to work multiple jobs can scale to make bank online, then you can too. And if this helped you at all, make sure that you hit the subscribe button because I'm going to start giving you weekly step-by-steps over here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.